Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete the photos from your Frameo digital frame on your phone in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to open your Frameo digital application. Now, when you are inside, you just have to make sure that you log into your account. Now, over here, tap on the three lines on the top left hand corner. Here, tap on the option of history. Now inside the history, you will be shown all of the photos which you have used in the application. So here you need to find the app which you want to delete. Simply tap on it and press and hold in order to select it. Then you are going to see this type of delete button. When you tap on the delete button, it will ask for the confirmation. So tap on the delete option again, and this is going to basically remove the photo from your application. Now deleting a photo from the application does not always mean removing it from the frame. You may need to delete it directly from the frame as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.